I feel like he might actually get mad at us, but it's fine, right? Alright.
I don't think he'll care.
We did it as a joke.
Dude, I'm gonna get Blizz back his
But-
controls before he yells at me.
Just tell him Ryan's idea.
What about my idea?
Blame it on you, Ryan.
Good idea.
No, don't blame it on me.
Good idea.
No,
I don't
blame it on
have-
Andrew. Oh, blame
Yeah,
it on
it's
Andrew.
Andrew's fault. Do not ban people. Why would you do that? Like it's triggering me.
Oh, somebody's typing. Guys, main chat, boys. General.
That's Andrew. Andrew's
L,
typing.
Toast tight L. Guys.
J2 just joined back. Oh.
Everybody's joined, guys. Ban them all.
I am now founder. Ban.
Did you ban them both? Yeah, I just got banned!
Wait, who did you ban?
I'm sorry, but this is too funny.
Wait, who'd you ban, Andrew?
I could just ban every single person in this.
Oh shit! That's the one person. It's
I got banned.
I'm waiting for Blizz just to come on. Slave. Slave.
Guys, the first thing you do is
J2 just joined. Slave.
He's
L.
slave boy.
Why does G?
L. Slave.
Guys, who's Kim and Dog? Why does he have admin?
Wait, Kim and
An
Jordan?
admin.
Oh, that's Bri. Ban him.
Oh no.
Blizz is gonna be furious. There used to be like 80 people here. Now there's 40.
There was 50 before.